As artists and admirers of art, we find ourselves at a fascinating intersection where old world techniques meet cutting edge technology. And yes, I'm talking about AI. Artificial intelligence has made significant inroads into creative fields from music composition to literary arts and notably visual art. This surge of AI capabilities has sparked a dialogue about the future of art and the role of traditional methods like drawing on paper. In this video, I'd like to explore how this digital progression influences traditional drawing and why, amidst pixels and algorithms, the tactile experience of pen on paper remains not only relevant, but increasingly precious. Drawing on paper has a timeless appeal that resonates deeply on a sensory and emotional level. As artists, we feel the paper's texture beneath our fingers, the sound of the pen and pencil scratching its surface, and the visual impact of ink absorbing into the fibers to create a meditative and personal experience. This connection between artist and medium is irreplaceable, allowing each movement and decision to be felt physically as well as seen. Each piece of art created by hand carries with it a unique signature of imperfections and nuances that are distinctly human. These are not merely mistakes, but rather an authentic expression of the artist's hand at work, revealing moments of hesitation, confidence, exploration. This individuality is something that AI, with its algorithms and data driven processes, cannot truly replicate. AI may mimic styles or techniques, but it lacks the capability to imbue artwork with personal history and emotional depth. The physical interaction between artist and paper, such as the pressure that leads to varying line indentations, adds another layer of uniqueness to each piece. These tactile qualities not only enhance the visual experience, but also ensure that every artwork is one of a kind. The indentation of lines, the distribution of pressure, and even the occasional smudge or blot are all elements that AI tools cannot authentically create or replicate. By embracing these elements, traditional drawing maintains its irreplaceable roles in the arts, offering experiences and values that no technology can fully duplicate. As we continue to explore the intersection of art and technology, the personal touch in traditional art remains not just relevant, but invaluable, cherished for its authenticity and connection to the human spirit. AI systems are adept at style imitation, where they analyze thousands of artworks to learn specific artistic styles and then apply these styles to new creations. This ability enables AI to produce pieces that may superficially resemble the works of famed painters or replicate popular aesthetic trends at any unprecedented scale. This aspect is particularly useful in creative experimentation, providing artists with new perspectives and tools that can inspire and influence their work. AI can suggest novel combinations of colors, forms, and compositions. However, despite these advancements, AI fundamentally differs from human artistry in crucial ways. One of the most significant distinctions is its inability to replicate the nuanced physical interaction between artist and medium. There's a story behind paintings and drawings of an artist drawing a nude figure on a bed, an artist putting himself in a landscape to observe it and draw it. There's an untold story behind each art that we think about when we look at art, and AI will never have this. These sensory interactions profoundly influence the creative output, imbuing each piece with a depth and intention that AI-generated art often lacks. AI operates within the parameters set by algorithms and data, lacking the spontaneity and emotional engagement that human artists bring to their work. While AI can mimic styles and synthesize elements, it does not possess intuition or the ability to convey genuine emotional experiences through its creations. The human element, comprising personal experiences, emotions, and the physical dance between artist and medium, remain unique and irreplaceable, setting human artistry apart from its AI generated counterparts. As we navigate this new landscape, it becomes clear that while AI can offer tools and insights, the heart and soul of artistic expression still reside firmly in the human touch. As the digital landscape becomes saturated with AI generated pieces, which can often be produced quickly and in large quantities, traditional art stands out due to its unique characteristics and the tangible labor of love it represents. Each stroke, texture, and imperfection in hand drawn artwork carries the distinct signature of the artist's hand, making it irreplaceable and valuable in both cultural and emotional terms. The personal touch involved in creating traditional art, the decision making process, the physical interaction with materials, and the artist's direct influence on each outcome makes these works deeply personal and historically significant. These elements ensure that traditional artwork are not merely viewed as visual items, but are cherished as storied artifacts that carry the weight of their creation process. This authenticity and craftsmanship are becoming more prized as they contrast sharply against the backdrop of mass-produced digital works. The rarity and uniqueness of traditional artworks enhance their collectible value as well. In a world where digital files can easily be replicated without degradation, the one-of-a-kind nature of hand-drawn pieces make them especially sought after by collectors and art enthusiasts. This scarcity, coupled with the tactile experience of viewing and interacting with physical art, elevates traditional pieces to a status that digital art struggles to match. There is a growing nostalgia and appreciation for artisanal practices that humanize our interactions. Traditional art, with its direct lineage to historical techniques and personal craftsmanship, resonates with this desire for connection and authenticity. As such, the cultural and aesthetic appreciation for these artifacts is likely to continue to grow, positioning traditional art as not only a valuable investment, but also a cherished legacy of human creativity and expression. The proliferation of digital and AI generated art does not make traditional methods obsolete. Rather, it highlights and enhances the value of the personal, tactile, and unique qualities inherent in hand-drawn art. As we navigate this digital age, the allure of traditional art only becomes stronger, celebrated for its irreplaceable contribution to human culture and individual expression. Now, hope you like this video. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks.